Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Dyson Airwrap, which does everything from blow drying your hair to curling it. The big question here is, can any hair tool really be worth $550? To figure it out, we set up a test where we tried it out against some more affordable options. The Airwrap does two major things. The first thing is it's a heated brush to blow dry your hair. So we put it up against a $35 Revlon heated brush. The second thing it does is curl your hair. So we put it up against a regular $60 curling iron. When you're doing tests like these, it's crucial that you have something to compare against, because if you do the whole head, you're just like, I don't know, maybe her hair always looks like this. So we brought in a model, parted her hair down the middle, used an Airwrap on one side and the other tools on the other side. The first thing we tested was the heated brush attachment. We immediately noticed that the Airwrap took much longer than the Revlon. It was also really obvious that the Airwrap left the hair frizzier and duller. And sadly, there really wasn't much comparison. Every time I picked up the Dyson, I couldn't wait until I was done with it to go back to the Revlon. The Revlon gave a much cleaner, smoother look to the hair, where the Airwrap left the hair kind of frizzy and just eh. So believe it or not, the $35 Revlon crushes the Airwrap. It's not even really close. Let's move on to part two, where we use the curling attachment to try it out against a regular curling iron. The first thing you'll notice is it's really cool the way it wraps the hair around the iron for you. It's really gratifying and fun every time you do it. The only thing is the Airwrap takes a while to get the curl hot, and then you have to do a cool shot afterwards to get it to hold, and it takes a while to do that. And even after doing that, the curl isn't very strong. You can see that it wants to fall out. You're gonna have to use a ton of product to make it last. The thing about doing curls is you want the hair to get really solid contact with the heat source. And the thing about the Airwrap is the hair is barely holding on. It doesn't get good contact, so you don't get strong curls. So this regular $60 iron won, and it really wasn't even close. So it really comes down to this. The Dyson is a lot of fun, and it's really gratifying to watch it wrap the hair for you. And if you didn't have something to compare it to, you might think it was really nice. So if you want something fun to play with, there's nothing wrong with that. There's no shortage of fun with the Airwrap. We all spend a lot of money on fun stuff like bags and shoes that aren't necessarily functional. There's nothing wrong with that if it makes you happy. But if you're purely looking for great results and all you care about is the way your hair looks, the Dyson Airwrap is a massive waste of money.